intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
Okay, so today I'm going to be making an Embed soap for the holidays. I'm going to be using this Silver Sparkle fragrance oil I got from Brambleberry. So what I've done so far is I've made some embeds. I've made these silver balls, and then I also made white hearts. So, and then I made a few white stars as well. So I'm gonna pop these all out and then go get my mold, and I'll be back. Okay, so the color I use is this mica silver white that I got in like a variety pack from Amazon. Alright, and I'm just going to make a few stars. You know what? I'm also just going to put, there's not much left, but I'm just going to put this as a first little layer. It's like not even, it's barely covering up the bottom. So now I'm just gonna start randomly adding my pearls and throw a star in there and some hearts. And I'm gonna get some glitter. Oh, that was quite a bit. It's iridescent glitter from Brambleberry. Okay, so now I'm going to cut up some clear melt and pour. Alright, so I'm going to heat this up and I'll be back. Okay, so my clear soap base is melted up. It is 151 degrees. I want to wait till it's around 130 just so it doesn't melt our embeds, but we are going to add in the Silver Sparkle fragrance oil. That smells really good. Okay, so it's 140 degrees right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour in just enough to cover the embeds that are in there right now. And then spray it with my 99% alcohol. And I'm gonna wait about a minute until it starts to form like a film, so that when I start to put more embeds in, it won't penetrate that layer. And I'm also gonna add some iridescent glitter from Brambleberry. And now I'm going to add another layer, just covering up the embeds we put in there. definitely need more soap. All right, I'm gonna get some more soap ready and I will be back. So I added more embeds, some glitter, and now I'm going to add more the Melt and Pour soap. And cover up that layer. You know what? I'm just gonna add it all in. And then the last layer of embeds will be the top. So I'm gonna add some more glitter, of course. Spray it with alcohol and then let it sit, and we will come back and unmold it. Okay, so it is time to unmold. Okay, so here is what it looks like before I cut it. And here's what it looks like inside. I think that looks super cute. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and yeah, I'll show you what they look like after I've packaged them and everything, but they smell great. I think they look really cute. I've never done anything with like silver and white before, so yeah, I really like it. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Alright, I love you. I will see you later.